Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll explain how to fix SteelSeries GG not opening. So let's dive in. Now, if SteelSeries GG won't launch on your PC, here are a few quick things you can try. First, try running SteelSeries GG as an admin. This isn't always required, but in some cases, it can help the app open properly. Just right-click the SteelSeries GG shortcut and choose Run as Administrator. Next, and this is a very common issue, check if you have other apps that conflict with SteelSeries GG. A big example is Signal RGB. Now, Signal RGB has a feature that automatically closes other software it thinks might interfere with it, and SteelSeries GG is often one of those apps. Now, if you're using Signal RGB, open it and go to Settings. From here, you want to go ahead and look for Applications. And then under applications, you want to go to conflict section. When this option is enabled, this very first one, Signal RGB will automatically close conflicting programs. You'll likely see SteelSeries GG listed here. Now to fix this, you have two options. Either disable the conflict closing feature entirely or find SteelSeries GG in the list and enable the option that says prevent closing so Signal RGB doesn't shut it down anymore. All you gotta do is just scroll down to find that list. Now, if SteelSeries GG still won't open, the last simple fix is to simply restart your PC since this issue can be caused by different background processes. A restart often clears it up. And basically, that's it. That's how you fix SteelSeries GG not opening. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!